Hello, everyone. My name is Anna Rajova. I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. And today we will discuss a new policy which was introduced by the Immigration Service Canada on August 2nd, 2022, regarding post-graduation work permit holders. I will share my screen and we will start the session. Today we will cover the following topics: the eligibility criteria, different scenarios, depending first of all on the validity of the current post-graduation work permits. I will give you a sample of interim work authorization and explain how it works. Then we will discuss the status restoration situations for those who already lost the status in Canada. Then special measures for the applicants of the temporary resident to permanent resident program. We will discuss how to apply for the work permit extension under new policy for those who need it, because not everyone is required to do so. And at the end, we will have the question and answer session. And those of you who watch our record, then you will be able to leave your comments under the video, and I will try to address all of your questions. So what is this policy all about? It gives an additional 18 months of work experience in Canada. The only eligibility criteria to participate in this program is the validity date of your post-graduation work permit, which should be in between September 20 of the year 2021 and December 31st of the year 2022. There is the deadline to apply if you have to apply for the work permit extension under this policy. Again, not everyone needs to do that. The deadline will be December 31st, 2022. There is a special link on the website of IRCC where you can check your eligibility if you're not sure that you're eligible. And you can find this link under our video. There are different rules apply to different categories of the post-graduation work permit holders. Those whose document expires from October 2nd, 2022 till December 31st, 2022. So as of today, you still have a valid post-graduation work permit. If your mailing address, is up to date and your passport is still valid and will be valid till April 2nd, 2024, no action is required. So if you are sure that your mailing address with which you applied for post-graduation work permit, or the one you updated to the immigration service, maybe by phone or through the web form, you just can wait. When you will get a new post-graduation work permit with the validity date till April 2nd, 2024, to your mailing address. And this document should arrive by mid-October. If your address has changed and you haven't informed the immigration service about this change yet, then you have to wait for the email from IRCC with a request to confirm your address, and you will be given a 2-week frame to do that. Same situation concerns those whose passport will expire earlier than April 2024. When you get a request from IRCC to update your address or passport information, or address and your passport information, you will also have 2 weeks to upload your new document. In order to notify the immigration service about this change, you have to link your post-graduation work permit application to your MyCIC account, which means that if you, for example, applied on paper, or if you applied from the account to which you lost your access, then you have to create a new one and link your application with which you applied for post-graduation work permit to this new account. After you submit your information about new mailing address and upload a new passport, you can expect that your new document will arrive by mid-November. In the situations when your new passport for some reason is not ready by the time you should provide it, and you got your renewed passport with the validity till April 2024 after you missed the deadline to inform IRCC about it, you can apply online with the new document, and today we will also discuss how to do that. If for some reason you do not get the notification from the immigration service about this program, with the request to update your mailing address and passport information, it can be a sign that you may not be eligible to participate in this program. And the only way to check it, and I strongly advise you to apply online to get the answer why you are not eligible or why you haven't received this notification. And hopefully you will be approved for the extension. One of the possible reasons why you can be in the situation when you are ineligible for this program is that you have some inadmissibility note on your file. But anyways, you can apply, and you will get the reply from the immigration service. A different procedure applies to those whose post-graduation permit already expired or is going to expire before October 1st, 2022. If your post-graduation work permit is still valid, then you have to apply online. So you have to request the work permit extension. For those whose post-graduation work permit already expired, you should apply online for a new document. And in case if you haven't applied for status restoration or you didn't request the visitor record when your post-graduation work permit was still valid, then you also have applied for the restoration. The only way to apply for the work permit under this new policy is to apply online. You cannot do it at the port of entry. You cannot do it by mail. Yeah, so the immigration service just offers this only way of the application if you need to. Shortly, you should receive the interim work authorization if you haven't already received it. So you should check your email. Probably it's already there. And the validity of the interim work authorization should be till May 31st, 2023. You should be in Canada to be eligible to work. This document will not allow you to re-enter Canada. But with this letter, you can apply for the work permit extension if you are outside of Canada at this point. And here is the example of the document, which was given to me by one of our clients. So you can see that this letter says that you are eligible to work with the document which you have in hand or you had in hand, and the number of your post-graduation work permit, and that you are now eligible to work till May 31st, 2023. This letter says that you can just attach it to the post-graduation work permit which expired or is going to expire, and give it to the employer. And if they still have questions, there is a link which where you can find the information to share with your employer. Let's talk about the application procedure for those who need to apply. The processing fee will be 155 Canadian dollars. You just pay the processing fee for work permit and no additional fee for the open work permit. So in order to be able to do that, in order not to pay this additional $100, you have to pay your fees online beforehand, before you apply. Yeah. So this receipt will be one of the documents which you upload with your application. How you start your application? You just create your account on the IRCC website, as probably many of you already did in the past. Then when you are in your account, you click start your application, then you go to apply to come to Canada, and then to I do not have a personal reference code, and choose the category visitor visa, study, and or work permit. Then you answer the questions, answer all of them like truthfully and correctly. And then you will get the list of the documents where you will have to upload them. Remember that with the documents, you have to upload a letter where it will be said that you are applying for an open work permit under the public policy facilitating the issuance of an open work permit to former or current post-graduation work permit holders. It's very important to include this letter in order your application to go in the right direction first. And second, the officer who will consider your file would definitely know that this policy applies. You're requesting the work permit extension under this policy, because like the general rule is that you cannot extend the post-graduation work permit. So just do not forget about this document to be included with your application. And again, you will have to upload the receipt of the fee, which is $155. And if required, you should also pay $200 as a restoration fee if your post-graduation work permit expired and you haven't applied for visitor record or another, or changed your status and in a maintained status at this point. This policy also covers those applicants who already applied for permanent residency under TR2PR, Temporary Residency to Permanent Residency Program. Those applicants could be eligible for an open work permit till December 31, 2024, so even longer, yeah, than the post-graduation work permit holders. And there are also two categories of those applicants. The first group are those who already applied and already received an open work permit under this policy, which is valid till December 2022. For those applicants, they do not have to do anything. You will just get your new work permit with the extended period of validity till December 31st, 2024. And in that case, you should have already received an email about it before August 8, 2022. The reason why you probably didn't receive this notification is that your passport could expire before December 31st, 2024. In that case, or if you haven't yet applied for this open work permit policy, then you should do that. Yeah, so you can apply, and you will be granted a work authorization and a new document, a new work permit till December 31st, 2024. You can find all the information regarding this policy by the link on the IRCC website, and you will find this link under our video. If any questions left, you're welcome to ask them in the comments under this video. Meanwhile, I wish you good luck with the post-graduation work permit extension. And remember, there are the situations when you do not have to apply for it. And as always, I wish you all the best on your immigration way to Canada. Thank you for your attention and have a wonderful day.